Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 11th maths, chapter 6, linear inequality, we are going to learn about graphical representation of linear inequality, and we will solve the exercise 6.2. Student, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So graphical system of linear inequalities. To graph a linear inequality, अगर आपको linear inequality का graph plot करना है in two variables, the variables are x and y. First, get y along one side, then consider the related equation obtained by changing the inequality sign to an equality sign. अगर inequality sign है less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or greater than है, so equation को आप equalize कर लो, right? The graph of this equation is a line. और ये इस equation का graph अगर आप plot करोगे, you will get a line, right? If inequality is strict, अगर strict inequality है means less than है और greater than है, graph a dashed line, जो graph का जो line होगा वो dotted line होगा. If inequality is not strict, अगर inequality is not strict है means less than or equal to, greater than equal to, a graph is solid line. तो graph का जो line मिलेगा वो solid मिलेगा, right student? Finally, pick up one point that is not on either line. आपको ऐसा point लेना है जो line पे नहीं, means origin 0 0 is not on a line, is usually easiest, and decide whether these coordinates satisfy the inequality or not, और 0 0 equation को satisfy कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, right? If they do, अगर satisfy करता है, set the half plane containing that point. तो half plane को हमको क्या करना है, set करना है. If they don't set the other half plane means अगर नहीं कर रहा है तो origin से away हमको set करना है, right? Graph each of the inequality in system in a similar way. Similarly हम सारे इक्वेशन को ग्राफ पे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सिस्टम ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी इज द इंटरसेक्शन रीजन ऑफ ऑल द सॉल्यूशन इन द सिस्टम. सो सिस्टम के अंदर जो भी पॉइंट्स उस ग्राफ के अंदर इंक्लूड होंगे, मीन्स शेडेड लाइन के अंदर इंक्लूड होंगे, दोज आर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द गिवन equation. Is it clear? The solution of the system of inequality is the intersection region of all the solution in the system. So let us see the question over here. Now the first question is x plus y less than 5. So students, is it clear? This is a strict equation. So here it is been given that x plus y less than 5. X plus y less than 5, right? So we will consider this is equal, because the next step is what? Equate the sign. So x plus y is equal to 5, right? So this is what consider as a strict equation, right? This is our first target. Then x plus y is equal to 5. We will equate the sign. So x is equal to 5 minus y. Now considering different value of y, suppose y is 0, so x is 5 minus 0, this is 5. Now considering y is equal to 5, so x is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, and y is equal to, this time considering 3, so x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we will tabulate these coordinate considering x and y. So y is 3, y is what? 0, we are getting x5, then y is 5, we got x is 0, y considering 3, then we are getting x is equal to 2, right student? Okay, so here all these points are coordinates points are positive, so we will consider the first coordinate, because in the first coordinate all the points are positive. So representing x and y axis over here and point on the x axis and y axis. Right students, now the first is 5 and 0. Obviously it is going to lie on x axis. Then 0 and 5, this is on y axis, this will be on first quadrant. 2 3, so drawing a line students, this line will be what? Dotted line, means dash line. So we are making white dot over the line, right? Now what we will do the next, taking a point 0 0 which is not lies on the line. This point is not lies on the line, and we will check, is this point satisfying the equation x plus y less than 5? So we are getting 0 less than 5, means it is satisfying. So the region will be, the shaded region will be towards the origin. If satisfied, so shaded region will be towards the origin, right? So here we will write what? So shaded region will be towards origin. So we will draw the shaded region like this way, right? So students, here we are completing the solution of this question. Let us move to the similar question. The question is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6, right? So here 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6 is a strict equation, right? So we will change the sign of inequality, right? So we will write 2x plus y is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6 minus y, x is equal to 6 minus y divided by 2. Now we will consider the different value of y to get the different value of x. So this time considering y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 6 minus 0 divided by 2, so 6 by 2 we are getting 3. Y is equal to 6, so x is equal to 6 minus 6 divided by 2, we are getting 0. Now considering y is equal to 4, so x is equal to 6 minus 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now we will tabulate these coordinate point, right? Here is x and y, right? Y is 0, x is 3, y is 6, y is 6, x is 0, this time y is 4, we got x is 1, right student? So again all the coordinate points are positive, so we will plot the Cartesian in the first plane. So x and y axis, annotating the point on x and y axis. Now the point is 3 0, this is lies on x axis, then 0 6 lies on y axis, 1 and 4, right? It is in first quadrant, so 1 and 4, so all these points are linear. Now here you can see that this is greater than or equal to, so the line will be solid, the line will be solid. Now we will consider origin, this is not lies on the line, and we will check that this equation is satisfying this point or not. So putting the value over here, we are getting 0 greater than equal to 6, which is not possible. So we will draw the shaded region away from the origin, right? So shaded region will be away from the origin, right? So let us draw the shaded region over here, this will be away from the origin, right student? You got it? How to plot the line or inequality on the graph. Let us see the next one. The question is x minus y less than or equal to 2. Okay, here it is given that x minus y less than or equal to 2. The x minus y less than or equal to 2. Consider this is a strict equation, and then we will change the sign inequality to equality to equality. So x minus y is equal to 2, so x is equal to 2 plus y. Now getting the solution, considering y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to, we are getting 0, y is equal to 1, so x is equal to 3. Okay, tabulating the point over here, the point of x and point of y. So x is 2 0, 0 minus 2, and 3 1, right? So here is x and y axis, and noting the point on x and y axis, right? But on y axis, here is one of the coordinate having value minus 2, so we will extend the y axis over here, so minus 1 and minus 2. Now we will denote the point, so we are getting a collinear point, and these collinear line points, a line will be passes, and this line will be solid, right? Now we will consider the origin. This origin point is not lies on the line, and we will check this origin point satisfying this equation or not. So again, this is satisfying, so it is true. The shaded region will be towards the origin. The shaded region will be towards the origin, right student? So drawing the shaded region over here, right? Now students, moving to the next question. The question is x minus 3y is greater than 6, right student? So here it has been given that 2x minus 3y is greater than 6 as an strict equation, right? So we will consider this inequality sign to equality sign. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now this time 2x is equal to 6. We can write 2x is equal to 6 plus 3y. So x is equal to 6 plus 3y divided by 2. Now considering y is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to 6 plus 3 minus 2 divided by 2. So we are getting 0. Now considering y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 6 plus 3 into 0 divided by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Now considering y is equal to consider y is equal to minus 4, so x is equal to 6 plus 3 into minus 4 divided by 2. So 6 minus 12 divided by 2, so minus 6 divided by 2, we are getting minus 3, right? Now we will tabulate this point. So drawing the table over here, the points of x and the point of y, we will writing x is 0, y is minus 2, x is 3, y is 0, x is minus 3, and y is minus 4, right student? So plotting the Cartesian plane over here, considering the x and y axis, and we will denote the numbers on the axis, right? So this is x axis, x dash, y axis, y dash, right? The first point is 0 minus 2, so it is lies on y axis So point will be over here, 3 0 will be on x-axis, and -3 and -4 will lies in third quadrant. So all these points again are collinear. Drawing the line from here, and this line will be dotted line because this is greater than inequality. So we are considering a point origin 0 0, and we will put this point in given equation and we will check it, this point is satisfying the equation or not. So here we are putting the values and we are getting 0 is greater than 6, which is not possible, so it is false. So the sided region will be away from the origin. So sided region will be away from the origin, yeah, opposite from the origin, right? So the sided region will be away from the origin. Okay, student. Fine. Now moving to the next question, y is less than -2. So here has been the solution considering the given equation. Y is -2 is an strict, y less than -2 is an strict equation. So this inequality considered to be equal, so we will write what, y is equal to -2, y is equal to -2. Here we are getting one variable missing. If we will consider those variable, there will be no change in the value of y. Suppose x is 0, y will be -2, x is 1, y will be -2, and considering x is equal to 3, so y will be -2. Now we will tabulate this point. Here will be x and y. Now x is 0, y is -2, x is 1, y is -2, x is 3, y is -2, right? Now drawing the Cartesian plane with axis and 4 quadrants, 1 2 3 4, here will be -1, -2, -3. So the first point is drawing, we are getting this line is parallel to x-axis. So considering the origin 0 0 and putting in the equation, we are getting this is 0 less than or equal 0 less than -2. It is false, right, student? So the sided region will be away from the origin. Sided region will be away from the origin. So drawing the sided region over here. Okay, student, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood how to represent linear inequality on the graph. Thank you once again, students, for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.